Have you ever found yourself frustrated with a WPF text box that just doesn't behave the way you want it to? If you've been struggling with making the margins around your text box clickable and selectable, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I totally get it. It's annoying when you want to click in that blank space around your text, but it just doesn't work. You're not alone in this. Many developers face this challenge when working with WPF TextBoxes. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked, is there any way to add space around a text box that is blank, but also part of the editable area? They want that blank area to react to React and selections, just like in Microsoft Word. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's going on here? In WPF, the text box has a defined area that responds to user interactions, but the padding you set only affects the text itself. The outer margins don't register clicks, which can be quite frustrating. Let's explore how we can work around this limitation. And stick around. I have a great workaround at the end that will help you achieve that clickable margin effect. You won't want to miss it. To make the blank area around the text in the text box clickable, the user should first wrap the text box in a border control. This will allow us to create an interactive area around the text box. Next, the user should set the background property of the border to match the text box's background. This ensures that the entire area, including the padding, is visually consistent. Now, to make the entire area of the border interactive, the user can handle the mouse down event. This will allow clicks in the blank area to set the caret position or start a selection. In the event handler, the user should set the focus to the text box and place the caret at the position of the mouse click. This will ensure that clicking in the blank area behaves as expected. Fun fact, did you know that the first graphical user interfaces were developed in the 1970s? They were a game changer for how we interact with computers. And here we are today, still improving user experiences. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using an attached property called TextBox Selection Behavior. This approach allows you to make the margins of a WPF text box clickable and selectable. You can enable this behavior by setting the isEnabled property to true in your XAML code. The user explains that this behavior can be easily applied globally through a style setter for all text boxes. This way, you can enhance the user experience by allowing interaction in the previously inactive margin areas. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always remember to test your UI interactions thoroughly. A small change can make a big difference in user experience, and you want to ensure everything works smoothly. And there you have it. With these steps, your WPF text box margins should now be clickable and selectable. Remember, a little creativity can go a long way in solving UI challenges. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and keep experimenting with your designs.